everyone, welcome to Cornell Learner and Cornell Studies channel. సో మనం ఫిజిక్స్ నిన్న చేసాం కదా క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈరోజు నెక్స్ట్ యూనిట్ పైన చేయబోతున్నాము, ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్స్. ఇందులో కొన్ని మీకు అవసరం అనుకుంటే కనుక మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. సో ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ప్లేట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్యారలల్ ప్లేట్ కెపాసిటర్ ఆర్ చార్జ్డ్ అప్ టు 200 volts. A dielectrical slab of thickness 4 mm is inserted between the plates. Then to maintain the some potential difference between the plates of the capacitor, the distance between the plates is increased by 3.2 mm. The dielectric constant of dielectric slab is. Answer option 3, 5. Next question. 2 unit negative charges are placed on a straight line. A positive charge Q is placed exactly at the midpoint between these unit charges. If the system of these 3 charges is in equilibrium, the value of Q in C is 0.25. Next question. A 20 if capacitor is charged to 5V and isolated. It is then connected in parallel with an uncharged 30 if capacitor. The decrease in the energy of the system will be. Answer (150). Next question. In a parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance, parallel plate capacitor lo then capacitance enti increase with the increase in the distance between the plates, decrease if a dielectric material is put between the plates, increase with decrease in the distance between the plates, increase with decrease in the area of the plates. Answer increase with decrease in the distance between the plates. Next question. 2 charges Q and minus Q are kept apart. Then at any point on the perpendicular bisector of line joining the 2 charges, first one, the electric tide strength is 0, the electric potential is 0, both electric potential and electric field strength are 0, both electric potential and electric field strength are non-zero. Answer second one, the electric potential is 0. Next question. If the charge on a body is increased by 2C, the energy stored in it increases by 21%. The original charge on the body in Columbus is 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the answer? 20. Next question. The charge of a body is +1 coulomb means what? The body gained 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. The body gained 1 electron. The body lost 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. The body lost 1 electron. What is the answer? The body lost 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Next question. When positively charged body is connected to the earth, when positively charged body is connected to the earth, electron move from body to earth, electrons move from earth to body, protons move from body to earth, electrons move from earth to body, and protons move from body to earth. Answer: electrons move from earth to body. Next question, 8th one. 2 charges are placed. 2 charges are placed a certain distance apart. A brass sheet is placed between them. The force between them will increase, decrease, remain unchanged, 0. Answer 0. Next question. There are 2 charges +1 into C and 5C. The ratio of forces acting on them will be. There are 2 charges. The ratio of that forces acting on them will be. Answer 1:1. Next question. If a charge is moved against the Coulombic force of an electric field, then option work is done by the electric field, energy is used from some outside source, the strength of the field is decreased, the energy of the system is decreased. What is the answer? Energy is used from some outside source. Next question. The electric field intensity on the surface of a charged conductor is 0, directed normally to the surface, directed tangentially to the surface, directed along 45 degrees to the surface. Answer directly normally to the surface. Next question. An electric dipole is kept in a non-uniform electric field. It experiences a force and a torque, a force but not a torque but not a force, neither a force nor a torque. Answer: a force and a torque. Next one. In a small drops of n small drops of the same size are charged to V volt each. If they coalesce to form a single large drop, then its potential will be V by n, Vn square, Vn power 2 by 3. Okay, answer fourth one. This is Vn power 2 by 3. Next one. Which of the following is true? Joule is equal to Coulomb into volt. Joule is equal to Coulomb by volt. Joule is equal to volt into ampere. Joule is equal to volt by ampere. Which one is the true statement in this? First one. Next question. The empty space between the plates of a capacitor is filled with a liquid of dielectric constant K. The capacitance of the capacitor will be increased by a factor K, decreased by a factor K, increased by a factor K square, decreased by a factor K square. Answer: increased by a factor K. Next question. In order to increase the capacity of a parallel plate condenser, one should introduce between the plates a sheet of mica, copper, stainless steel. What is the answer? Mica. Next question. Increasing the charge on the plates of a capacitor means increasing the capacitance, increasing the potential difference between the plates, decreasing the potential difference between the plates, no change in the field between the plates. Answer: decrease. Second one, increasing in the potential difference between the plates. Next, 18th one. On connecting different condenser having different capacitance in parallel, they will have the same capacity, potential difference, charge, energy. Answer: potential difference. 19th one. The type of capacitor in which polarity has to be maintained when it's connected in a circuit is variable capacitor, multiple capacitor, paper capacitor, electrolyte capacitor. Paper capacitor. Next, last one. In electrolyte capacitor, the electric between two plates is ammonium borate, electrolyte, ammonium oxide, aluminium. Answer: aluminium. So students, this was the questions. Okay, in 8 minutes we completed 20 bits. సో మీరు ఈ విధంగా డైలీ కొన్ని 20 బిట్స్ 40 బిట్స్ అలా ప్రిపేర్ అవుతే మీకు మంచి ర్యాంక్ వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి డైలీ ఒక 8 మినిట్స్ 10 మినిట్స్ ఈ వీడియో పైన స్పెండ్ చేయండి. మీకు చాలా ఈజీగా మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోగలుగుతారు. మంచి ర్యాంక్ వస్తుంది. మీరు అనుకున్న యూనివర్సిటీలో మీరు అనుకున్న బ్రాంచ్లో వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.